Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quick and easily make a dog poster. This one will be quick and easy to make, informative, and hopefully it helps you get back your pet. First, you're going to need to log into canva.com. It's a free website. After you have logged into Canva with your Google account, you will simply select poster. And after you select poster, it will open a second tab. Then you can scroll through all the options that they have for lost dog posters, as you can see here. There are numerous options. Whichever one that suits you best, you can select it. For instance, this one right here, and then you'll simply tap on it. You can see it right here. Then to upload your pet's photo, you'll select uploads. And I'd already downloaded a photo of a dog, so you'll simply drag it. And it will be uploaded. And then to add your pet photo, to this, you'll simply tap on that. Tap on the current dog photo. And then select your pet photo right here. Hold on. Tap on this, select your pet photo, and drag it to it. And that's it. And then you can change the message by simply tapping on the text. And then you can clear whichever section you would like, and to add your pet name or different information. And if you're putting up a reward, you can change the reward amount. For instance, you just highlight it and you change the reward amount. And here I know definitely you would like to change the phone number and add your phone number and street address. And you can also change the background color. You can customize it whichever way you would like. There are numerous ways you can customize it. As you can see there, I feel like the black would be more. Yeah. And hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.